Hi guys, today I will show you how to use pet spawner that actually works. Watch closely and follow my steps. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it properly. First, I'll show you my backpack. As you can see, I got nothing, only T-Rex. Here to make it clear that I don't have a See, nothing special. Now we will open the Delta. The script will be on the comment, okay. Now, I'll just show you how to use the pet.spawner only. Let's try Kitsune since it is the expensive .pet right now. Let's add the weight you can put, how massive they are. Now the age, I want it to be younger. Let's try to... Let's spawn it now if it's actually work. We already spawned it, let's see our backpack. Let's add more and I will make it 5. Open the pet spawner again. We will add 3 more. I think it's enough. Let's see if I can spawn it. Yee, I can spawn them. Please don't forget to subscribe. See guys, it is actually working. This is mine now. Please don't tell Jandal about this script. It is not patched yet. So let's try to rejoin again if this pets will be gone, okay? So let's pick them up. So I already picked them up. It's time to rejoin now. Let's see. I already rejoined. Let's see if it's still there. It is still here, haha. It is 100% working. I have at least 5 of them. Let's spawn it again if it's still working. Yes, you can spawn it. I guess that's all for today's video. Please subscribe, the script is on the description below, and comment. Bye.